Kisutu Samuel ashabire government okuyakongera kuhereza abashomesa ebyo kukozesa hamwe no kubongera mushara okuba kubasa kubana bashomesa ishomo lyabe lya Kiswahili kandi ebi abigambire omushomo ogubere gwetabira mu bashomesa ba Kiswahili bari kurenga 26 mu district ya Kibale kandi obo bari kurwo mu mashomero gari kurenga 15.
To embrace Kiswahili because Kiswahili is our proposed national language. 2, Kiswahili is our second official language. Because in Uganda we have got the 2 official languages, that is English and Kiswahili. 3, we have encouraged them to embrace Kiswahili because Kiswahili is the lingua franca of the EAC states, that is the East African Community States.
Orukura abashomesa ba Kiswahili omuri Kibale district empango omwami Morris Mande nawe omukushoma nko kumwe ashabire government okutaho abashomesa bingi okongera emishara abashomesa hamwe no kubahereza ebikwato ebyakubasa kuba yamba kushomesa je ishomeri.
We are also requesting the government to bring it right away from P1 up to senior 4 and also making it compulsory to senior 4. I'm also requesting the government to put initiatives of all media centers through UCC that we can have different programs of Kiswahili so that these learners, when they are even at home,
omuringo ngo gumwe abeji nabejumbiro muhureji no mukutende koku basimira ministry y'ubwegese ahabo kutaho okushoma kwa Kiswahili kandi aborekire ngweki nikiza kuba yamba omukugamba n'abantu endimi nyingi na mnonga abo abatari kwetegereza endimi ezebyaro hamwe n'orujungu.
Naomba mtupatie kamusi za kutumia katika darasani na kompyuta.
Na sababu nyingine tena kama sababu za vitabu na walimu. Vitabu government ilivyoletea hapo kwa mashule, tulianza kuangalia vitabu hivi ni vichache. Tena tunataka mwenye government etuletee vitabu vingine vya Kiswahili, wanafunzi tusome vitabu havyo na walimu watatufundisha. Government tunataka etueleze walimu wazuri wanajua lugha ya Kiswahili kujifundisha au na kuiongea.
Kufundisha lugha ya Kiswahili na fasihi ya Kiswahili katika shule ya sekondari Kagadi.